The Y-perm is a diagonal corner swap PLL, and it is recognizable because there are two 2x1 blocks on adjacent sides, and then there is a corner sitting in the middle of that, which has stickers of opposite colors to the side that they're on. So nothing else over here, 2x1, opposite sticker, 2x1, opposite sticker. And when I say opposite sticker, I mean because this green is opposite to blue and the orange is opposite to red. So what you want to do is have this lone corner in the bottom right, like so, and do this algorithm. Front, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right, up, right inverted, front inverted, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right inverted, front, right, front inverted.